afternoon, welcome back to Auto Assets. My name is Zach, and here with us today is a 2018 Audi A6 Premium Plus. This is finished in Java Brown Metallic. Powered by a supercharged 3-liter V6 engine with an 8-speed automatic gearbox. Optioned with the driver assistance package, so you have Audi Presense Plus, high beam assist, adaptive cruise control, and Audi active lane assist. Really good shape, owned locally by one of our good customers here in Powell. And up front here you'll notice a few little spots of road rash, very minimal. Up here at the driver front wheel, you'll notice a little bit of curb rash along the lip of the wheel. No dents or dings or scratches on the driver's side body panels. Back here at the driver rear wheel, great shape, a small spot right there on the lip of the wheel, and a little bit of discoloration there to the clear coat on the spoke. Stainless steel dual exhaust. A few little minor scratches back here. Back here at the passenger rear wheel, great shape, no curb rash, no scratches. No dents, dings, or scratches on any of the passenger side body lines. And last but not least, up here at the passenger front wheel, there's a little bit of rash right there on the lip, and a little down there below. And we'll take it to the interior. We have an Atlas beige leather. Bose premium audio. Back seats are in great shape. They don't even look like they've been sat in. Got cold weather package, so you have heated rear outboard seats and adjustable climate control. Driver memory settings, power folding and heated exterior mirrors. Adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support. Audi Guard all-weather floor mats. Audi MMI navigation. Dual zone climate control. Heated front seats. And your heated multifunction steering wheel. And current mileage 63331. All right, folks, if you have any questions about this vehicle, do not hesitate to give us a call. 614-793-1050. Tons of photos of this vehicle will be uploaded to our website. You You can check those out at autoassets.com.